Who's gonna make a snowman? Totally made a whole path right there. Picks up every little inch of snow.
You do the whole yard, alright?
Yeah, I know, right? Which is why the snowball's kind of hairy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a hairy snowman.
Is that gonna be the bottom? Or is that the head?
It's the bottom.
It's the bottom, okay. It would be a huge snowman if that was the head.
That'd be crazy.
We might not have enough snow if it was the head.
Yeah.
Pretty good though, huh?
That's funny.
You getting the eyeballs?
Yeah.
Dee, did you help with that snowman?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah, because I found a
He's pretty tall.
stick.
You put the darts in.
Mommy, I found a perfect icicle stick for the smile.
Oh yeah, right
Here's his
there.
hair.
Perfect stick
Look,
for the smile.
here's his hair.
And he's got 3 little tufts of hair, 2 eyeballs that are rocks. Nice.
There's an icicle, there's a nose, and then...
Yep. This has been like the biggest snowman I think we've ever made.
Or we've made.
Or we've made...
Because we haven't made that many snowmen.
Well, no, I think we've made littler ones, but not quite that big. Are you eating the snow? It's only...
Birds pee inside snow.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sometimes they do. We can get you a tissue, mister. Yeah, birds sometimes pee inside the snow. If you take it inside and you melt it in a bag, you can see what's really in the snow. And a lot of times it's dirt and
Stuff.
yeah, little particulates. But I guess a little snow never killed anybody. And Briz is getting her bike out and riding because we haven't ridden bikes in forever. We didn't have anywhere to ride them at the trailer. Oh yeah, the scooter's in the car. Let me go get it. It's probably all rusted out, but it'll work. Yep, yep, hooray. It's such beautiful weather. Even though it's still really cold out, with the sun shining, it's perfect. It's really nice. And there's my kidlets. And there's my yucky garage. It's full of stuff I need to figure out where to put.
It takes a little bit of practice.
Ooh, that's a good trick. You can't ride in the grass very well, bub. Wow, you making another one?
Yes, I'm making his friend.
His friend? Wow, you're working hard, boo. You're gonna have some muscles after this. If you put down the little arrow, it's easier to do. We're missing one of those. It landed on the roof.
Yep.
Alright,
How about
well,
get up there?
we'll probably have to go through the window or something. How are we gonna get that the stump rocket that's on the roof? I don't know either.
How about
Maybe when it rains or if the wind blows really hard, it'll blow off.
springtime?
If we had a big ladder, we could go up
It
there.
went off the roof. It went off the roof.
No, it's only just 3. 1, 2, 3. We need 4.
No, there's 4 now.
Is it 4?
Yeah, there were 4. We have them all. They must have fallen off the roof.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. It came off. I didn't even know.
Chris, this is a work site. Don't cross. This is a work site.
You need little work zone tape. Make a little barrier. You know what we should have done is made an igloo.
Yeah.
You think we have enough snow to make an igloo still?
Yeah.
It'd be really
It'd be a really tiny wet one, yeah. Darn it. Next time.
Do I have it again? The super dog crushed them up.
Super Dog. Did Super Dog win today?
And then Yoda got wet. And he flowed all the way over to... Dun dun dun. I can do this. Zoom zoom. On top. Dun dun. Now, how do I do this?
Ooh, you did it. The castle came alive. How'd you do that, Dee?
You just...
Oh, you turned that one. Makes it like thunder and storm. Dee's been rediscovering his room. So we finally put some furniture right back in it. So his toys have somewhere to be. You liking your room now that there's your stuff back in it? Feels more like his room. He's like, I'm too busy playing now. I can't bother to talk to you, Mom.
Jump, 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 da! He fell down. I want him to go inside the dungeon.
Well, you gotta put him in the dungeon then.
No, I want the dungeon to open to get him inside.
I think you know how to do that though, right? You remember how to do it? I showed you. That's right. Have to move it around.
I don't want to go down inside the dungeon. I don't want to go inside the dungeon. But you have to. No, I don't. He's going to slice the dungeon in half like this.
With his lightsaber?
Yeah, see? Watch. Yeah.
Okay.
Slice the dungeon. Then I want to turn the dungeon around. How can I turn the dungeon around?
Just like you're doing.
I want to get up this stairs.
These imaginext toys are amazing. I love them. And they don't break either. Yeah, I'm going to give you the wet clothes. And you throw them in. Good job. Ready?
Get them on my hand.
You're really good at that, Dee.
I got it.
Oh, did it get hooked on there?
Yeah. I can't do it when you drop it. Just hand it to me.
Hand it to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I dropped one.
Okay. He's a good helper. I like when you help me.
Why?
Because it makes me feel happy. Because it means you love me enough to help me.
Whoa, you big champ.
And it helps me do my job.
That's how you remember me doing this?
Yep. There's the last one. Whoa. That's a little loud there, buckaroo.